Each November, the NASA Office of Inspector General reports on the most serious management and performance challenges facing the agency. Over the past several years, NASA has made a concerted effort to address weaknesses previously identified by the OIG and other oversight bodies. Nevertheless, significant challenges remain across all NASA programmatic and functional areas. For our 2010 report, we've identified 6 primary challenges. Number 1, the future of U.S. spaceflight in a post-space shuttle, post-constellation world. Number 2, acquisition and project management, including ways to manage cost and schedule growth on critical projects like the James Webb Space Telescope. Number 3, infrastructure and facilities management, with a focus on NASA's aging and underutilized infrastructure. Number 4, human capital, including the future of the astronaut corps. Number 5, information technology security and the increasing number of cybersecurity threats facing the agency. And number 6, financial management, building on NASA's recent improvements on its annual financial statements. In deciding whether to identify something as a top challenge, we considered the significance of the issue in relation to the agency's mission, its susceptibility to fraud, waste, and abuse, whether the underlying issues are systemic in nature, and the agency's progress in addressing the challenge. Several of these challenges, specifically project management and infrastructure and facilities, are long-standing concerns likely to remain top challenges for the foreseeable future. However, with focused and sustained efforts, we believe that NASA leaders can make significant strides in addressing all of these challenges. Throughout the past year, NASA has been in the midst of its most significant period of transition since the end of the Apollo era, with completion of the International Space Station and the impending retirement of the Space Shuttle. While enactment of the NASA Authorization Act in October 2010 clarified several important aspects of NASA's future mission, as of the middle of November, NASA remained in a holding pattern with respect to receiving its fiscal year 2011 funding. Until this appropriation is enacted, NASA is limited in the steps it can take to close out the Constellation program and move forward on the priorities outlined in the Authorization Act. Consequently, an immediate and overarching challenge for NASA leadership is to manage the agency's portfolio of core science, aeronautics, and human spaceflight and exploration missions amid this continuing lack of clarity. Moreover, when a 2011 budget is enacted, NASA's managers will need to reconcile any differences between the appropriations legislation and the Authorization Act. The OIG's full report on NASA's top management and performance challenges can be found at our website, oig.nasa.gov.